Hey everyone, it's NJ Claire. So today I'm doing a video to show you some of my latest squishies that I've gotten in the mail. And I was really excited to get some of these because they were on my wish list. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And for those who are curious, my giveaway will start this weekend. So please make sure to watch my channel for the giveaway video. Alright, let's get started with the squishies that I've gotten. So first I got some new Cinnamoroll squishies. So they're a set of 6 squishies, and they look like this. And they kind of have a felt feeling to them. I won't open them, but you can see, hold on, here we go, you can see actually that they are furry. So it's really cute. So it's a set of 6, so I'll show you all 6. Oops. And finally this one. Then I also got this giant Kiritori. So I'd been looking for this one for a while, so when I saw it on auction I was really excited and I won the auction. It is really big, like it's bigger than my hand. Then I got some Hello Kitty ice creams. And this one is completely new in packaging. And I got this mint and strawberry one as well. Then I got these really cute Hello Kitty squishies from Broccoli 99. And she is really sweet. She includes lots of extras in my package. So here are the squishies. So first there's this Hello Kitty in a kimono or geisha costume. This is my favorite of the 3. Then there is this Hello Kitty in a Chinese doll costume. And then finally, it's really cute, Hello Kitty in a ninja costume. Thank you so much for letting me buy these. I was so excited to get them because I love them very much. So these are some of the squishies I got recently. I really hope you guys like this video. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And please watch for my giveaway that's coming up soon. Thanks guys. Bye.